Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your personal finances easily using a custom-built finance tracker. This tracker allows you to add, view, and edit your expenses and income through simple interactions with SQLite database. Whether you're a beginning or just looking for a better way to organize your spending, this tool is a great way to stay on top of your budget, or like I call it, a shopping diet. So let's dive right in. So let's go to where the coding happened. And to start, we are using Python and SQLite to create our finance trackers. SQLite is a lightweight database that's perfect for small scale applications. Here, I created a table called transaction to store all the data. Each transaction will have an ID, a type, a category, an amount, and date. Every time we run the script, the database is checked, and if it doesn't already exist, it gets created. We ensure that every transaction is stored in this database securely. Alrighty, so let's now pay attention to this function. So we have the ability to add transactions. The user can input the type, whether it's an income or expense, the category like food or salary, the amount, and the date of the transaction. Okay. For example, let's say I want to start over. All right, and let's check it out first. Sorry, it took me a while to understand that I had to do this. So, okay, add transaction. For example, let's say I want to log an expense of 50 for food on March 10th. I simply enter the data and it gets inserted into our SQLite database. Okay, so we said it was an expense and it'll be food, $50, and it was on March 10. Okay, there it is. There's our expense. Alrighty, so now view transaction. We know we have this database, but also I made it so that you can view it from here. So once you have added the transactions you want to view them in our tracker, you can easily fetch and display all transactions stored in the database. It's as simple as running a query. And here are all of our transactions. And then I also wanted to visualize, to have an option for so the user could visualize their expenses or their income by seeing a bar chart and a pie chart, but this I didn't have time to completely learn about Plotly Express, but I am hoping that I'll be able to show it on the next video. Um, so we will skip 3 and 4, but now we can just go with option number 5. Alrighty. So searching and editing transactions, and it's another feature that the user can use. This way, they'll be able to make any changes to a prior entered data. So let's start with searching. And the category, let's say expense, because I don't have. Do I have it as expenses? No. Oh, category. Sorry. Uh-huh. I was thinking about type. So category, let's go with mortgage. And there's our mortgage. Now let's do food. And there's a bunch of them. And then let's skip number 6 and move to the 7th one. Um, since it goes hand in hand. So number 7 is to edit. So let's say we want to edit number 5 and let's enter the new. Still an expense, it's still food, but I forgot to count for the tip. So it was actually 25. And the date was not on March 2nd, it was actually on March 5th. All right, so now let's see. There it is. Now we can see the changes. So let's now delete a transaction. So that one will be number 6. And I felt like it was important to add this because sometimes we make mistakes, so we need to remove a transaction. This tracker will allow the user to delete any transaction by their ID. So before using it, it'll be highly recommended to use with transactions. So you know which ID to delete. And I want to delete one. And let's make sure it has been removed. So now we just have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then number 8 is, okay, so number 8 gives you the count of expenses. If I were to have a, what's it called? Type. If I would have also added a income type, then I'll be able to see to compare my expense versus my income, but I haven't added any income ones. But um, to summarize everything with this simple but powerful finance tracker, you can easily and edit, view, and edit your transactions. It's a perfect tool to help you stay on top of your budget and make smarter financial decisions. Um, I feel like it was a big challenge to learn Python along with SQLite, but it was really fun to work with this. Who doesn't want to work on their own budget? And if I wanted to, I could even add more columns and requirements. So thank you so much for watching.